Okay, ladies and gents, what's going on here? So let's talk more about the Tory Lanez case, even though it's technically kind of already wrapped up the trial with him being found guilty. Right now, Tory Lanez is trying to fight for a new motion, for a new trial in his ongoing case. That's right. So let's see what it says here. On Friday, April 21st, an audio and written message was posted from Tory Lanez on his official Instagram account. In his audio recording, he addressed to LA County District Attorney George Gaskin, the embattled rapper claimed his innocence and said that he was wrongly convicted in the shooting involving Megan. The embattled rapper claimed his innocence and said that he was wrongly convicted in his shooting trial involving Megan Thee Stallion. Tory added that he will provide evidence to clear his name. I write this message with the utmost humility, love, and respect for the remarkable stance you've taken in regards to fighting for the justice of black and brown minorities, he began. Today, I take a stance as an innocent black man wrongfully convicted of a crime I did not commit, he continued. I've watched the two DAs from your office by the names of Kathy Ta and Alex Bott unlawfully misuse their authority to hide and suppress any and all exculpatory evidence that exonerates me or furthers my innocence. I was completely robbed and deprived of a fair trial. Obviously, I guess here Tory, now is trying to basically kind of sway the trial, even though it's not doing anything good because, obviously he already got convicted, and once he's convicted, you can't go back in time and try and fix what happened, sadly. Tory further explained that on May 8th, his defense legal team would be arguing on his behalf for a new trial. He believed that the prosecution devised a false narrative about his case and plans to expose the practices that are allegedly used by prosecutors to illegally convict me and countless other minorities. Tory concluded, Mr. Gascon, I come to you today as a wrongfully convicted man and not asking for sympathy nor compassion, but for you to simply do what is fair and right by the laws of California and most importantly in the eyes of God. So here Tory Lanez posted this on his Instagram, this statement about the trial, and he believes he was wrongfully and illegally convicted, so now he's trying to, I guess, fight for a new trial. But obviously, since he already got found guilty, I really don't know what he can do besides maybe motion or hope that he's going to be granted a new trial, because otherwise it looks like Tory Lanez is going to jail for possibly the next 2 decades. Tory Lanez's audio and written message comes as his legal defense team, which includes famed attorney David Kenner, is mounting a legal motion for a new trial, claiming there were multiple errors in the trial that swayed the jury into a guilty verdict against Tory. However, prosecutors have rejected his claims in a 16-page document. Prosecutors stated that the defendant has failed to demonstrate any error by the trial court in support of its motion for a new trial. Meanwhile, LA Deputy DA Alexander Botts told reporters that despite the ongoing delays, he feels that Tory will be sentenced in a timely manner. We want to make sure Megan gets closure as quickly as possible. She wants to put an end to this chapter of her life. Superior Court Judge David Hereford said he will review DA's documents to their existing motion. So basically, to sum things up, I really don't know what else to say about this except that, for Tory, the only thing I guess he can hope for in this case is wondering if the judge will grant him a new motion or if he's going to be granted an appeal after he gets sentenced, because obviously that's what he can do.